this paper to understand the issues related to the network, survivability analysis modeling in MANNETs. MANNETs means mobile ad hoc network. A MANNET is a type of ad hoc network that can change locations and configure itself on the fly. Because MANNET are mobile, they use wireless connection to connect various network. In second paper, in this paper, the existing studies on social aware data dissemination and over mobile wireless area network and the social aware approaches with the traditional data approaches. DTN means delayed tolerant network. Now let us see what is wireless body area network. A wireless body area network connects independent nodes, like example, sensors and actuators that in clothes on the body or under the skin of the person. The existing system. In existing system, it is insufficient or not user friendly, means all patient cannot access these devices because expertise need to operate such kind of devices, and lots of fire. It contains lots of fire to connect to the patient and just 24 hours of battery backup. Proposed system. In proposed system, using using keyboard such as a wireless sensors network, wireless body area network, and it is easy to accessible because it does not contain wires such as in existing system, and saves lots of time because it gives result immediately compared to existing system. Now, wireless body area network concept. An important step in development of wireless body area network is characterization of physical layer of the network, including a essential of delay, spread, and the path used between the two nodes on the body. As you can see on image, body area network, and the user is connected with the wireless body area network through personal server and is connected to GPRS and Bluetooth or WLAN internet and medical server, and weather forecast. Data flow diagram. In data flow diagram, as you can see, motion and sensors are getting the input from users to personal server between temperature and humidity, oxygen saturation, and personal server is sending the input to get the output. Now, I'll be telling wireless body area network standards and technologies. First one is Bluetooth. Bluetooth is IEEE 802.15.1 standard, commonly known as WPN, Wireless Personal Area Network. Bluetooth technology was designed as a short-range wireless communication standards, and also Bluetooth devices works as a master and another 7 Bluetooth devices. Second one is Zigbee. Zigbee is IEEE 802.15.4 high-level communication used to create a personal area network. Zigbee solution for wireless telecommunication designed for sensors and control and suitable for use in harsh or isolated condition. And one of the biggest advantages of Zigbee network is it is low power consumption compared to other standards. Now third one is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi technology comes with a 4 standard that runs in a ISM band 2.4 and 5 gigahertz with a modest coverage of 100 meter. Distance is 100 meter, and Wi-Fi broadband speed when connected to an access point or in ad hoc network. Next, fourth one is IEEE 802.15.6 provides various medical and non-medical approaches. Non-medical approaches means fitness band like that. These standards supports communication inside and outside the human body, which can be used for different medical and non-medical applications. Real-time study cases. Real-time study cases are ECG, electrocardiogram sensors for monitoring the heart activity such as heart attacks, and EMG sensors for monitoring muscle activities. Muscle person is suffering from a muscle twitching, and EEG sensor for monitoring the brain electrical activities for a person like suffering from a in brain diseases, and tilt sensor for monitoring a tongue position, and and breathing sensors for monitoring the respiration. These are the real-time case studies. Applications. A body area network in place of a patient can alert to the hospital even before they have heart attacks through measuring changes in their signs. A diabetic patient could auto-inject insulin through a pump soon as the insulin level declines. Next, a band can be used to learn underlying health state transition and dynamic diseases. Next is comparing with the wireless network. Based on the geographical coverage, WBN operate close to a human body in a distance of 1 meter to 2 meter, where WPN network supports up to 10 meters. Wireless body area network are subset of WSN, wireless sensor and accurate network. Advantages of wireless body area network are used to detection of a chronic diseases. Patient has not required to physical available to a doctor. Communication between the individual and machine. Drawbacks are battery life. As the device is very small, we can assume that battery will be very less compared to existing system. Interface to multiple devices that shares the channel. It will give the alert to a patient very lately. Lack of integration sensors. It contains a lots of sensors in that device. Result analysis and discussion. Benefits to patient medicine personal society, and continuous monitoring is possible and detection is possible problems. Conclusion and future work. The systematic review suggests that wireless wireless band is key point for research and development projects. Advertisement advertisement in wireless sensor network is revolutionize healthcare domain. It will be very useful in future. Wireless body area network system will help in facilitating a better communication with patient. Patient can also know in which stage he is suffering from that disease, with the potential to offer a wide range of benefits to patients. These are the references. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Victor, sir, anything?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
go
Hello,
ahead.
sir. What's his name? Prajwal. Prajwal.
Yes, sir.
Prajwal, what is this? Did anybody force you to do seminar? Huh? I know
Sir,
you
I
are like
can't hear.
this only. You read it in such a way that it was so confusing, Prajwal. Okay, now go back. Who did the results and discussion? See, you copied someone's work as if you did that. Results, yeah. Result analysis and discussion. Can you explain this chart? What is that chart doing there?
Sir, I get this image from literature paper. Literature survey.
I know. You before you paste something, you should understand what it's doing, no? Right?
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. Right.
So you are telling results analysis and discussion. I got it. So tell. You cannot explain that chart. Why did they put the chart? From the paper, you should know, right? Prajwal? Go up. You don't know. Go up. 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 I saw something in your, anyway, if I ask you this architecture, you won't be able to explain. Prajwal, explain this flow diagram. Explain the flow diagram. You called it flow diagram. Yeah, flow diagram. Yes. Yeah, explain this.
As you can see, the motion and the sensors are getting the input accumulators and
No. Take annotation. Show me where the inputs are coming from.
sir?
Yeah, take a pen. Take a pen. You know how to use it, right? Go to annotation. Take a pen and show me where the inputs are coming from. What kind of inputs are being fed into this? What kind of inputs? Where is the input coming from?
Sir, from
Because
sensors,
I can
sir.
see, it is two-way. Yeah, it is two-way, up and down. Why is it up and down? Can you see it's a two-way input now?
Yes, sir.
So what does that mean? What kind of inputs does it take? What kind of inputs?
Sir, heart rate and
Heart
blood
rate is
pressure.
an input. What kind of heart rate is a parameter? What kind of input? In which form? In which form? In image data is in form of DG, in form of, I know I will not give you hints. In which form is it? Heart rate. Heart rate is just a categorical thing. Okay, just a name. So what is the form?
Yes.
You don't know. Why will you refer only to go to your literature survey? Go to your literature survey. Prajwal, seriously, you have not changed. You are like this only. Prajwal, is this how they do literature survey? Did Hemant sir give you guys format or not? In a columnar form. It should be in a tabular form. Did he give you that format?
Yes, sir.
No. Did you see the format in the group or not?
Yes, sir, I've seen it.
Then why did you put this? So what's the difference between literature survey and reference? The same thing, only you put no author, no year, no URL, nothing. So if I Google now networks availability analysis modeling approach for MANET, a systematic review, I will get this. Okay, who are the authors? Who is the publisher? Which year was it published? What kind of references are you doing, Prajwal? What did this paper talk about? Networks availability analysis modeling approach for MANET. What does the paper discuss? You simply put the title there and call it. Without adhere to instruction, you will not do anything, Prajwal. Where is Rohan? Is he in your group? Prajwal, is Rohan in this group?
No.
Okay, no.
Sir.
Just imagine. Okay. Okay, sorry, my network is unstable. Prajwal, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear.
My network is unstable. That is what, see what you did in literature survey, okay, which is not at all accepted. Now, where is your contents? Go up, show me your contents. Do you have a content slide?
Yes, sir.
Sure, go up. Like this, okay, survey paper conclusion and references. Okay, contents of presentation, got that. So please don't talk about results analysis and discussion, which you didn't do. You can say comparative study of existing some stuff and things. And whatever you put, try to understand why that is there. Huh? You simply copied their chart and you put there, you didn't even understand what the chart is doing. And which paper spoke about that chart? Now go to your reference. Only 2 papers you referred. How? What was the minimum paper we asked you guys to refer? What minimum paper did ask you to refer? How many papers minimum? Prajwal?
Sir, I
How
got
many
2 papers, sir.
minimum? No. How many papers minimum? Okay, here you put the author. How many papers minimum?
4, sir.
Prajwal? Huh? Okay, I know. Talking to you is also a waste of time. It's okay, I'm done. I'm done. I know you will not change only. How many papers was the minimum paper that Hemant sir and Lokesh sir asked you to refer? How many? Only 2. Huh?
That to the year is
Oof.
2012 and 1999.
That's what? I don't know. I don't know, ma'am. I'm done. It's okay, Prajwal. I'm done. Ma'am, if you have questions, please ask me.
What is the difference
between
sensors and actuators? Prajwal, did you hear me?
Sir,
What is the difference? You told about sensors and actuators. So what is the difference between sensors and actuators?
Sensor changes the physical parameter into electronical output, and
Okay.
accumulators device converts electrical signals to physical output.
Give me an example of electrical to physical. And tell one application, let us see. Okay, temperature is physical quantity, correct?
Sir.
So the actuators will actually produce temperatures?
No, ma'am, it converts now.
You said yes, it converts electrical into physical.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that what you want to say? Give me the full form of magnet. Prajwal, say yes or no after you listen to my question.
Mobile ad hoc network.
Mobile ad hoc network. Okay. How is it relevant to your seminar topic? How are ad hoc networks relevant?
Ma'am, it was in literature survey, ma'am.
No. That should not be the answer. You have done a literature survey on ad hoc networks. So how is ad hoc networks relevant to the topic that you have chosen? Why you did a literature survey on this? Because you tell me how it is related.
Network surveyable modeling.
Huh?
And measuring purpose use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Go back to your data flow diagram.
Yes, ma'am.
Ad hoc network. Where is the ad hoc network here? In which part of the diagram you're using? Because this contains all the components, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Magnets, where are magnets? How magnets came into picture?
I'm sorry to interrupt. Prajwal,
Yes, sir.
would you consider to represent it after another couple of days?
ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟ್ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಕಣೋ, ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
ರಿಲೆವೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ.
You have mailed me for approval last night in the night 12:30. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಲಿಯೋಕೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸರ್ ಮೊದಲೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ನೀ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ?
ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಡ.
3 days.
3 days.
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ 3 days ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ ಅದ್ರ ಫುಲ್ ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Sir.
ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
So with standard that you have presented, if you are happy with that, we'll finalize the marks on that. If you want to improvise, there's a chance that is given to you. Would you like to improvise? It's left to you.
Sir, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು ಸರ್.
Okay, fine. Ma'am, then we'll finish this.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.